I've got a pretty cool story of a small mom and pop dust collector manufacturer. So they provide dust collector systems that go in machine shops and various manufacturing facilities that keep particulate out of the air. And they really had never done any type of marketing, very dated website. And we started off with some paid advertising to get them some exposure, get them in front of people. And it was like a light switch. As soon as we started the advertising, they felt it. They quickly outgrew their facility. They quickly started hiring salespeople, which in the history of the company, they'd been in business for 30 plus years, had never had a need for salespeople. It always was the owner. They were inundated with opportunity. And as a result of that, we've built them a new website. We've helped with their content. We're doing their paid media. Quickly after that, they needed to scale to a new facility. They needed to hire new sales reps. So to see a small mom and pop business like that, feel that, and then also see the growth and value in what we're doing, I mean, it's been great for both of us. We've been able to overhaul their website, overhaul their content strategy, expand some of their offerings even. So just to be a part of that growth and to help this family grow their business, that's going to have an impact for generations to come.